the city will be receiving additional funding intended for local governments from the Coronavirus Relief Fund. The legislature has designated an additional $150 million to be distributed to county governments based on their population. The counties then have to give a minimum of 25% of their total allocation to their municipalities. Since Durham County is receiving nearly $12 million in additional funding, the city will be receiving $2.9 million of that. The funds have to be spent on expenditures incurred to address the COVID-19 pandemic. For Durham, the majority of the funding will go toward an internet campus network for public housing properties to help create a more stable internet connection needed for virtual learning. It will also help support the Back on the Bull campaign, provide premium pay for employees focused on mitigating or responding to COVID-19, and paying for laptops to facilitate work-from-home access for city employees. All funds have to be spent by December 31st. Durham Parks and Recreation, or DPR, is now offering care for school-aged children through their Recreation Works program. The program is designed to support families and students between the ages of 5 and 12 with remote learning in a small, socially distanced setting. The individual programs are being held at the W.I. Patterson Recreation Center and the Holton Career and Resource Center from 7:45 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. There's also a program taking place at the Edison Johnson Recreation Center from 12:15 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. DPR plans to continue to offer the programs while Durham Public Schools is requiring distance learning for students. Registration is available at dprplaymore.org/470. For all DPR news, be sure to follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Changes to parking fees and fines for downtown will soon go into effect. Starting October 1, the hourly rate for parking in on-street and off-street spaces will go up by 25 cents to $1.50 per hour. In addition, an evening flat rate of $7 will be charged to park in the parking garages between 7 p.m. and 5 a.m. Monday through Saturday. And a daily flat rate parking fee of $7 for special events will replace the current special events program for off-street parking. These changes are expected to generate nearly an extra $31,000 to support downtown parking. In addition, the civil penalties for parking violations downtown will be increasing by $10. Instead of $20, they'll now be $30. That change will also go into effect October 1st. For more information about parking in Durham, visit parkdurham.org. You can also follow the transportation team on Twitter.